Hi everyone, I'm back to read another book to you today, and today's book has a lot of rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that sound the same. Can you think of a word that rhymes or sounds the same as ball? Did you think of one? I thought of one. Tall rhymes with ball. Listen, ball, tall. Say them with me. Here we go. Ball, tall. One more time. Ball, tall. Good job. Can you think of another word that rhymes with ball and tall? Did you think of one? I thought of one. Wall. Listen. Ball, tall, wall. Those words rhyme. They sound the same. Think really hard. Can you think of one more? Did you think of one? I thought of one more. Are you ready to hear it? Fall. Listen. Fall rhymes with ball, tall, wall. Listen one more time. I'm going to say them all. Ball, tall, wall, fall. Those words rhyme. They sound the same. And in today's book, there are going to be lots of words that rhyme. So we'll get started. I want you to listen for words that rhyme. And then when we're done with the book, we're going to talk about rhyming words. Here we go. The name of today's book is The Flea's Sneeze. It was written by Lynn Downey. The illustrations, or the pictures, were made by Carla Firehammer, and this book was published by Scholastic Books. On a dark, dark night on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Are you listening for rhyming words? No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the cat, the rat, and the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. The end. Clap your hands if you liked that book. There were lots of rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words are words that sound the same. I heard some rhyming words in there that sounded the same, like hog and frog. Those were words that sound the same. Let's practice some rhyming words. Are you ready? Touch your head and say red. Red. All right. Now, I want you to say red head. Say it. Red head. Those words rhyme. They sound the same. Touch your chin and say fin. Fin. Chin, fin. You say it. Chin, fin. Touch your chest, that's right here, and say best. Best. Say it together. Chest, best. Good job. Touch your shoulders and say boulders. Boulders. Shoulders, boulders. Good job. This time I want you to touch your knees. You can't see mine, but I'm touching them. Say please. Please. All right, say knees, please. Knees, please. Touch your tummy. Say yummy. Yummy. Tummy, yummy. Say it. Tummy, yummy. Those words rhyme. They sound the same. Can you think of a word that rhymed with arm? Farm. Arm, farm. Did you think of that? Good job. All right, I brought some pictures to show you. Let's look at the pictures I brought. Does anybody know what this is a picture of? Oh, I think I heard someone. You're right. This is a snail. Let's look at another picture. This is a little tough. Does anybody know what that is? Yes, it's a mouse. All right, let's look at another picture. Do you know what this is? A bat. You are so smart. Kiss your brain. You are smarticle particles. Okay, this is a tough one. I'm going to help you out. This is a log. Say log. Okay, good job. All right. What about this one? You know that one. Good job. Car. Good job, car. Okay, here comes another one. Yes, you are so good at this. This is a tree. Last one. What is this animal? Did you say zebra? Good job. It's a zebra. Now, we're going to look at some other pictures that I brought, and we need to find words that rhyme. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to show you this picture first. What is that? That, yes, is a house. All right, I'm going to show you two pictures, and we need to figure out which one rhymes with house. Remember, words that rhyme sound the same. How about this? House, tree? No way, those don't sound the same. How about this one? House, mouse. Yes, those words rhyme. Let's say them together. Here we go. House, mouse. Again, house, mouse. Good job. All right, let's look at the next picture. What is that? Yes, it's a cat. Does anybody have a cat? Show me a thumbs up if you have a cat. I do not have a cat. All right, we need to think of a word that rhymes with cat. That means it will sound the same. Let me show you a picture. Are you ready? How about this one? What is this? Bat. Do those words sound the same? Let's say them. Cat, bat. Yes, those words rhyme. They sound the same. Say them one more time. Cat, bat. Good job. All right, let's look at another one. What is this shape? Ooh, you guys are so smart. You said star, kiss your brain. Star. And what about this picture? Does this one rhyme? Snail. Star, snail. No way. Those don't sound the same. How about this one? Star and car. Say it. Star, car. Do those rhyme? Do they sound the same? Let's say it again. Star, car. They do. They rhyme. Great job. All right, let's try another one. Let's try this one. What is this? Yes, it's a bee. All right. Bee, zebra. Do those sound the same? Listen. Bee, zebra. No way. Those don't rhyme. How about this one? Bee, snail. No way. Those don't sound the same. Let's try another one. How about this one? Bee, tree. Oh, those sound the same. They rhyme. Say it again. Bee, tree. Way to go. All right. Last one for today. Here we go. What's this? Yes, it's a frog. There was a frog in our book. Frog, snail? Do those rhyme or sound the same? No way. Frog, snail do not sound the same. How about this one? Frog, zebra. No, those don't rhyme. They don't sound the same. How about this one? Frog, log. Do those sound the same? They do. Wow, you are very good at rhyming. Give yourselves a round of applause. Way to go. Rhyming words are fun. See if you can think of some rhyming words and talk to a grown-up. Practice, practice, practice. All right, I have one more thing. Are you ready? Okay, Jackson, come here. Sit up. Okay, here's Jackson. Can you think, Jackson is a dog. Can you think of something that rhymes with dog? How about, frog. Dog and frog. Those words rhyme. Oh, wait, let's do one more. I'm giving Jackson a treat. Treat and feet. Those words rhyme. Treat, feet. All right. Listen, I'll be back tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye-bye. Jackson, can you say goodbye? Bye-bye.